Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by installing a lightweight terminal app and granting the minimal permissions it asks for. Once done, open the app and initialize its environment. That creates the folder structure and package manager. Make sure to set a username and password or add an SSH key now, because later steps assume remote access. If prompted, accept optional storage access so you can edit files. This first action gets you from 0 to a working shell quickly, so you can run commands. Once the terminal is ready, update the package index and install essential utilities like an editor, curl, and git. You'll need them for everyday tasks. Then edit your shell profile to export path and add useful aliases so commands are faster. Configure an SSH key pair and copy the public key to remote systems. Keys beat passwords for speed and security. Make sure to disable persistent root shells and keep the phone locked when idle, because local access equals full control otherwise. Now run a short sequence to verify functionality. Print the working directory, list files, fetch a URL, and clone a repo if needed. If something breaks, inspect path, file permissions, and whether the package manager completed successfully. Network issues often masquerade as command failures. As a last resort, reinstall the problematic package, reset your shell configuration to defaults, and restart the terminal app or reboot the device. If SSH fails, confirm key permissions and that the remote host allows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.